This is Temple Sinai of Sharon. Our mission is to be a place where people can come for any of their needs, be it spiritual or otherwise. This, we hope, is a home away from home for anybody who wants to be here. The building was built in the year 2000. It's 27,000 square feet. Even though people come and say, this looks like a brand new building, all the capital equipment is 25 years old. So we are tasked with keeping everything running, making sure that we're always here for the congregation and the community. Our problem was that our HVAC system, all of our RTUs, were old and they were beat up and they weren't efficient, they were breaking down a lot. We were actually spending 2 to 3 times as much in repair work on them annually as we should have been. And with the 490 windows that we have in this building, it was very, very difficult to manage the temperature across the entire complex. We needed to find a solution. As soon as I contacted Aslam, we immediately were turned on to the incentive programs that we could benefit from. And one of them was to be able to replace our existing gas-fired units with hybrid heat pump units.
Then I got them set up with a decarbonization consultation with one of our vendors through the Mass Save program, who then sent a contractor out, assessed the existing equipment, looked at numbers on what they would save and what it would cost to replace the equipment, and gave them a pathway on how to participate in the program. Our vendor reviewed the 3 quotes the Temple had received, looked at the contractor's experience, their quotes, and assessed and gave them all a score of which the best contractor was, in our opinion, and that is the contractor that the Temple chose to go with.
EMCOR Northeast was a wonderful partner to work with in this project. We are glad that out of the bids that we received that we went with that company. They had the size, the expertise, and the willingness to do the job right to really get things done for us. I was very happy about it. Through this program, we saved 2/3 of the cost of the project. It was incredibly amazing, yes.
The Temple Sinai of Sharon installed 5 hybrid heat pump RTUs here to replace their existing natural gas-fired RTUs. The hybrid heat pumps they installed here will heat and cool the space very efficiently compared to the old equipment they had. The control system speaks to each other and it adjusts each room accordingly based on the occupied capacity.
It's helped the building by allowing us to control our costs. We now know exactly how much we're spending on our HVAC every year, and the space has become a more comfortable space.
It took about 4 months from the design and start of the project through the installation and full completion. And after full completion, we did get the Temple Sinai of Sharon their rebate within a week. One of our main goals is to help customers utilize the energy efficiency programs and have customers like the Temple Sinai of Sharon further decarbonize their building. With this new equipment, over 190 tons of CO2 gases saved from being emitted into the planet.
Given how this project went and the incentives that we were able to receive, there are other upgrades that we would like to make to our building where we would love to partner with Eversource again through the Mass Save program to make that happen. I loved this experience. I would actually go through it again if I could.